Hey there, it's Andrew. Today we're talking about Conversation AI permissions. Do you maybe have members on your team that you don't want messing with your Conversation AI agents, or maybe some that you want to have limited control over them, but you don't know how to set that up? Well, today I'll show you exactly how you can set this up with our roles and permissions for Granular Conversation AI settings. Without further ado, let me show you how this works. Okay, so by default, this is what full access looks like. We have access to the AI Agents tab. We can see Getting Started, Agent Studio, Conversation AI. That's what we're focusing on today. We can see all of our agents. And then if we were to go into one of these agents, then we can see and edit our settings, our bot training, our bot goals. Everything is pretty straightforward. But how do we edit some of this? So what I'll show you is when we navigate over to settings and then my staff and we go to roles and permissions, we will see right at the top our AI agents section. And this is where we can manage all of our granular permissions. So before we dive into exactly what this looks like, let me explain each one of these. Now, a couple of recurring themes, we have view and manage. View means a user can see everything, and manage means that they can create, edit, and delete sections relating to that. So view and manage voice AI agents means that you can create, edit, and delete everything in regards to all voice AI agents. Similarly, if we were to toggle off, let's say just view voice AI agent goals, it would still be able to view the actual agent itself, just that section of the UI will be turned off. You can carry that same logic over into Conversation AI, which is what we're talking about today, but these concepts apply similarly to both. View and manage Conversation AI agents means you can create, edit, and delete all aspects of Conversation AI agents. Our next option is view Conversation AI agent goals, which means if toggled off, you will no longer be able to actually see the agent's goals. If we turn this off and then save, I'll show you what this looks like. Here we are back in that same Conversation AI agent. And as you can see, we can see the agent, we can see settings and training, but we can't see the agent's goals. As you can see here, we're back in that same AI agent where, as you remember before, there was that bot goals section. Now that is gone for this user. They can no longer see the bot's goals. They can still edit things in relation to training and such, but they cannot actually edit or even view the bot's goals. Now back in our permissions, if we are to go back to our AI agents section, if we were to toggle back on view and manage Conversation AI agent goals, then that would come back. Similarly, if we remove view and manage Conversation AI agent training, this would also remove the training section from that user's UI. And the same goes for our Conversation AI dashboard. That's how granular we can get with our permissions. So this can be really helpful if you have multiple team members and you need each one to see specific parts of the agent, but not have the ability to create, edit, or delete them. And of course, if you want to be super safe and you have no reason for your team members to see your AI agents, then you can turn all of these off. And the last one is just view and manage Conversation AI agents. If you toggle that off, then they will not be able to see the AI agents at all. As you can see here, our AI agents tab is gone. So we cannot see our Conversation AI agents because we turned off those granular permissions. This is pretty niche and pretty unique, but if you have teams and you're doing a lot with Conversation AI, then this is pretty important to know how to do within your team in order to keep your Conversation AI agents safe and make sure that only the right people are getting access to them. If you have any questions about this permissions function, then feel free to drop a comment on this video or refer to the rest of the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.